Hey, so do you want to know how to buy a house in the next 3 months, no matter your salary? Well, I'll show you exactly how to do that. So, what we're going to do is going to give you a step by step of how you will be able to get your own home making 30K to 100K without any interruptions. So, what we're going to do, we are going to make sure that you know each and every step of your budget and your credit score. So, what you're going to do for the first week, you're going to make sure you check your credit. Make sure you're aiming at least a 620 for a conventional loan. That's 500 plus for an FHA loan. So to make sure you determine your price range, what you're going to need to do is use the 2836 rule. The housing cost should be no more than 28% of your monthly income. That is going to be the trick to making sure you can actually afford this. The example, if you make $40,000 a month, your maximal house cost should be around $1,120. Do not go above that. You can definitely go below that, but do not go above that when you're looking at your homes. So step 2, you're going to save your down payment, your closing cost. So that is going to be your week 2 and your week 4. So your down payment options should be very in the back of your mind, because the FHA loan is going to be 3.5% down, and that's great if you have low income and you're buying. The conventional loan is going to be 3% to 20%, which is higher down payment, but that also means you will have a lower monthly payments. So if you want higher payments or lower payments, that's up to you. So the VA and the USD loans is 0% down if you're eligible. So keep that in mind as well. And your closing costs, usually that's going to be 2 to 5% of your home price. Make sure that you have that already saved up. So the hacks to cover the cost, these are going to be essential. Use your down payment assistance programs in your area and in your state. So ask the seller if they can cover the closing costs and the negotiation stages. So that is also another piece that you can tap into. Also, I wouldn't heavily recommend this, but some people tap into their 401ks. Sometimes they're gifted money from family. I would avoid that at all possible costs, because I just do not see that being essential to your success in your beginning stages of home ownership. So get a pre-approved for your mortgage. That's 5 to 6 weeks out. You're going to be looking for a pre-approval. You're going to shop around. You're going to get quotes from at least 3 lenders to get the best rate. So make sure that all over you are getting these things. So the documents that you are going to need. So you're going to need the last 2 years of your tax returns. So make sure you're writing this down, and your W-2s. Then step 3, you're going to get 2 months of your bank statements. That's going to be another thing that you're going to need. You're going to need proof of your employment and your income. So make sure you go in with that already. So pre-approval means stronger offers. A lender's letter shows the seller you are serious about purchasing their home. This is going to gather you to be more in front of everyone else that is actually looking as well. So make sure you find the right house and make the offer within your 7 to 9 weeks. Hire a real estate agent. They will help you negotiate and spot red flags. So make sure that you are getting in front of this person Look at the off-market deals, the foreclosures, the auctions, the FSBO, for sale by owners, because those listings can save you thousands of dollars down the line. So make sure you're being cooperative in these hot market offers above asking price, or waive minor contingencies to win the bid. Make sure that you're going in for what you really want and you're going in really strong with it. Now, also for our step 5, this is going to be to finalize your mortgage and close on your home. This is going to be week 10 through 12. So you have 2 weeks to get this done. Make sure you get your home inspection, very, very serious, and an appraisal. So you know exactly if you're overpaying. The inspector is going to make sure that you don't have any hidden problems in the background. And the appraisal confirms the home's value that you are purchasing, and it matches the price that they're giving it to you for. So you make sure you lock in your interest rates. So these rates can change daily. Trust me, it happened to me. So secure your lowest rate up front. They will help you with this process. The final walkthrough ensures everything as is expected before you actually sign. This is a key essential to making sure that you are getting what you're paying for. And you are not getting this, then you are going to be very upset. So the bonus to this for lower income buyers, the house hacks. It can be a duplex, a triplex, live in one unit and rent out the others to cover the mortgage. If that is something that you're interested in, do it. Side hustles offer extra income to you using gig work, flipping, or high-paying part-time jobs to boost your savings and ensure that you can pay this off sooner. Also look at grants and assistance. Check HUD, NACA, and the local first-time buyer programs for free. And it's just free money that is going to be given to you. So make sure that these steps are going to be incorporated in your house buying experience. Like I'm telling you again, very essential. So buying a house in 3 months is possible if you follow these steps. Want more home buying hacks? Subscribe and comment for your biggest questions about buying a home. And also, I am giving you a free guide in the link below. Go in there, get that guide, and it will ensure you that you are able to make sure that you, as a home buyer, has everything that you need to get the real actions and steps in place for your structured future. See you soon.